Good evening, folks. We are on Storm Central on Storm Watch once again. I'm Weather Center Atlantic Canada forecaster James Fowler here for your evening update. Let's take a look right now at what we can expect during this next couple of days. We'll start with the system that's going to be affecting us over the next night and into tomorrow night. But first, here's a look at the satellite imagery. There's that storm right now, right here over Atlantic Canada. That big wave of low to mid and high level clouds. We're looking at the precipitation with this, and mostly we're looking at heavy snow continuing over much of Halifax and northern Nova Scotia. We'll see snow soon approaching eastern Newfoundland pretty soon as well, later tonight into tomorrow. The back end of here, we are seeing some clearing over Yarmouth and Digby. However, some light rain does continue over the Yarmouth area. We'll see precipitation begin to taper off and end as we get through the night tonight. However, we do have this little system right here, a small trough, that will actually bring some more waves of snow flurries and showers for tonight as well for Nova Scotia. Newfoundland, we're looking at that cloud cover now moving in as we take a look at our top alert super high definition satellite. We're seeing some cloud cover moving in into central, western, and southern and eastern Newfoundland. Northern Newfoundland still seeing those pretty cloudy skies. Nova Scotia, we're looking at that cloud cover mostly for much of mainland and northern Nova Scotia, but we're seeing some clearing now over Berwick, Digby, and Yarmouth, and just beginning to clear right now in Shelburne County as well, very shortly over the next half an hour to an hour or so. But as I was mentioning, here's that small clouds here, a line of clouds over northern New Brunswick. That is from a small trough, and that will come in through here as we get into later tonight into tomorrow with some more precipitation, mostly in the frozen form, but along the coast the temperatures are going to be slightly warm enough that we could see a mix of rain and snow, maybe some graupel and ice pads as well. And here's our next system, because we do have another system to talk about. We don't just have the one for tonight, but we also have another one coming in for Wednesday night into Thursday. That's going to pretty much impact the travel plans for Thursdays. We are going to be seeing some heavy snow and some ice pellets as well mixed in for your Thursday, and that could impact school, travel conditions as well. So if you're going on the roads, air, if you're going on a plane, all that could be impacted on Thursday with this next system, which is pretty long. It's a stationary long-related front that stretches from Texas all the way over to Philadelphia and even into our neck of the woods. So it's a very long front. But the biggest center of the storm is right over Texas, and that's that system that's going to come in here for Wednesday night into Thursday, and it's going to develop into a strong low just off the coast of Cape Hatteras for Wednesday into tomorrow. Here's a system. There's that system moving out now. That's the system that's impacting us right now. We're going to see that snow continuing into tonight, into tomorrow, and then clearing skies through tomorrow afternoon. So we may see some peaks of sunshine tomorrow afternoon, but overall we're looking at that snow and rain kind of mix continuing all the way into tomorrow. Then we'll clear out. Then watch as this system comes in Wednesday night into Thursday. Heavy snow for much of southern Nova Scotia. We're talking about a good 10 to 20 centimeters of additional snow for much of Digby, for Yarmouth, Shelburne, Queens, all those kinds. And as you can see, there's even that little pink mix there. That's some ice pellets and freezing rain that will be mixed in there for Thursday afternoon. So a very messy scenario for Thursday. And we're also going to see some high winds. So here's the winds taking us over the next 48 hours. We're going to see diminishing winds through tonight, and as we get into tomorrow, we'll see increasing winds between 20 to 40 kilometers per hour. We'll see gusts upwards of 60 and 70, and then they'll really increase Wednesday night into Thursday. So Thursday will be a windy and stormy day once again. We're going to see gusts upwards of 80 kilometers per hour on Thursday with that heavy snow. So blowing and drifting snow is expected as well with this system. Now here's the snowfall accumulation model of the RDPS Canadian model. This is the total snowfall expected throughout the next 48 hours. And I put it in motion here. So tonight, we're going to see, tonight into tomorrow, we'll see maybe upwards of 5 to 10 centimeters for the Digby and mainland areas. Along the coast, we're looking at maybe 2 centimeters at the most. And then Shelburne and Lunenburg, you'll see maybe 5 to 10 centimeters as well. And then as we get into Thursday, that's been the biggest snow rise. So you'll see that big, see how it stops there. And then here comes that big snowfall. We're looking at 15 to 25 centimeters of total snowfall as we get into Thursday. So total snowfall amounts through Thursday afternoon is going to be anywhere from 15 centimeters to 25 centimeters. And that 25 to 30 centimeters will be expected through Halifax, Bridgewater, Lunenburg. Those areas will see the highest snowfall. And you see right here, where you're in the pink, you will see snowfall amounts of close to 30 centimeters. So that's how much we can expect. Here's a good snowfall forecast here, Wednesday and Thursday. Labrador City, look at 2 to 4 centimeters. Corner Brook, 5 to 10. Gander, 10 to 15. St. John's also at 10 to 15. Charlottetown, 10 to 15. So almost everyone will see basically 10 to 15 centimeters through Thursday. But the highest amounts will be in Nova Scotia. Sydney, 15 to 20. Halifax, 20 to 30 centimeters. And for Yarmouth, you're looking at 10 to 20 centimeters through Thursday. Not just today, but snowfall for tonight, tomorrow, and Thursday, all combined together. That's how much you'll end up with by Thursday afternoon. And for Fredericton, we're also looking at 5 to 10 centimeters. Alright, let's take a look at your forecast now. Starting with Atlantic Canada, we're looking at a messy day for tomorrow for Newfoundland. We're looking at -4 for Corner blowing and drifting snow for Gander at -3. Ice pellets and freezing rain for St. John's at -1. Chance of flurries for Sydney and Halifax. Yarmouth looking at a mix of rain and snow, and then clearing as we get into the afternoon. Temperatures right around the freezing mark to +2. Labrador City, PEI, and New Brunswick, you're looking at pretty nice weather, sun and clouds, and temperatures right around that freezing mark, either side of 0, so around -1 to +1. Starting for Newfoundland and Labrador, for tomorrow, looking at windy conditions all across the island. We're looking at -11 for Labrador City, -9 for Happy Valley Goose Bay, -6 in St. Anthony, -3 in Gander, -1 in St. John's with that freezing rain and ice pellets. 0 in Marystown with snow and flurries for for Port aux Basques and Corner Brook, and temperatures anywhere on the island from -6 in St. Anthony to 0 in Marystown, -9 to -11 in Labrador. For Nova Scotia, we're looking at cloudy skies with a chance of flurries for much of the province. Yarmouth, though, looking at a mix of rain and snow, and then clearing in the afternoon. Temperatures anywhere from 0 to 2 degrees. For Prince Edward Island, we're looking at mostly sun and clouds for tomorrow. Temperatures of -3 to -1. And for New Brunswick, we're looking at sun and clouds as well, and temperatures of -1 to +1 for your Wednesday. That is your Weather Center Atlantic Canada evening forecast update. I am forecaster James Fott. Have a great evening.